exercise every day to keep the blood pressure low. That's when you do have hypertension, you should exercise at least 15-20 minutes every day. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. This is a nice pleasant ride. The only thing you got to do with this one is when I get home, like tomorrow morning, I'll dust the chain off with my brush, right? Dust the chain off and then CRC it and wipe it clean. Then just before I ride, I'll put some chain lube on it.
Yeah, well, I know that before I could go down mountain, I thought it was for me.
Yeah.
You get it on the compressor.
Yeah. On it. Yeah, watch out for the puppy. Morning, mate.